Jazz Cup Joey here, and we are at the Indianapolis International Airport here in Indiana, where my love of aviation started. And I'm also in my parents' living room. So right there behind me is the parking garage for the old terminal here at the Indianapolis International Airport. The terminal building has since been demolished, and the only thing that is left is that parking garage. That is one of the places that my dad and I would go up to and plane spot. We would go inside and eat Charlie's. We'd go up there and plane spot. We'd go to international arrivals and all these other areas, and it's really interesting to see it just abandoned and gone. Terminal just not here anymore. Parking garage is though, and yeah. Now we're gonna go fly out of the new terminal that opened back in 2008. Ironically, the same year that I moved out of Indiana. All right, Bone Crusher and I are on the way to the airport. We're really close to the area now. Now at this point, we just gotta follow signs. That might be the way. All right, Bone Crusher and I had a little bit of a detour. Made a wrong turn on my behalf because I thought I knew my way around the airport, but I don't. So now we're at the airport getting parked. All right, Mom and I made it to the airport. We got the car rental all dropped off, and now we got quite a little bit of time to kill. Just got to wait for Junkyard Jenny to arrive. I would have to agree. While we waited for my sister to arrive and our check-in time to get here, we decided to make our way to go get coffee. I guess we'll have our coffee first. All right, my mom and I are hanging out here pre-security at the Indianapolis International Airport. We can't check in until 2 hours before our flight. Gonna be flying Frontier today. So as I was saying earlier, this is where my love of aviation started. Was here at the Indianapolis International Airport. Back in July of 2005, I got on a plane with my mom and sister, flew on a Northwest Airlines DC-9, flew from Indianapolis IND to Orlando MCO, and that was my first flight ever. And from then on, I just loved planes. I went home and researched them on the internet, and eventually my dad and I one day came to the airport and said, hey, let's go there and watch some planes take off and just go check it out and see what it's like down there. And we did that, and it started happening every Friday. And then we went to Charlie's Philly cheesesteak and would have that for dinner every week. And a lot of memories. I watched this terminal here get built from the ground up. So this airport has a very, very special place in my heart. What? A3. And I also got some oatmeal. I did eat Pizza King 3 times within the span of 5 days. So my belly was requesting something on the healthy side. And then they have these garbage cans that just open sesame for you. So here's a funny story. I had gone to the bathroom to take care of business as usual, and when I walk out of the stall, I immediately see a dispenser. And these 3 thoughts popped into my head simultaneously. Why are there condoms at the airport? Wait, where are the stalls? Oh wait, that's not a condom dispenser. And immediately I look to my right and I see a girl walking out of the stall, and she goes, this is the women's bathroom. And I immediately put my head down and I was like, oh my God, I'm so sorry, it was an accident. And I stormed out of there as fast as I could. And I went to the men's bathroom to wash my hands, and that was that. So yeah, accidentally went into the women's bathroom. Luckily in 2024, I technically didn't break any laws doing that, but I promise you I had no intentions of doing that. It was a complete accident.
How you doing today? Doing well.
Check-in was really smooth today. Luckily both of our bags were under 40 pounds.
Okay. Thank you very much. You have a great day.
We're here at Indianapolis International Airport. The big who used to be the bulb. Yeah.
Out of the bathroom for about the 7th or 8th time.
Who is this third? They're old.
You can speak low.
Starbucks. Yes, you do. She's still drinking it.
Brookline and
She's gonna be
Northwest
feeling good.
Village,
It's a big
184,
cup.
DC 930.
Hey, Jason's gonna throw up.
Here's Martin on his 8 so far. There he is, getting my Philly cheesesteak. He's got my Philly cheesesteak! 5 o'clock in the morning, no bags. There it is.
Do not duck under the belts. Yeah, Janie. Duck. How's it going? Good. How are you? Doing well. I just throw this water away over there. Okay, cool. Thank you very much. You have a good one. This one right here. Up.
Even though we're going to be flying out of the A gates today, the TSA said the A gates were busy, and they told us to go ahead and do the TSA at the B gates. You can access all the gates at either TSA entrance. And my sister's dressed like a kindergarten teacher here, ready to teach today's class.
Something like that, and I haven't even.
All right, we made it through the TSA here at the Indianapolis International Airport here in Indiana. All right, here's the plane that we're going to be on today. This is a Frontier Airlines Airbus A320neo. Tail number November 336 Foxtrot Romeo. I'm not sure how not sure how old the plane is. Ooh, someone's really upset right back there. We're gonna be on Rosie the River Otter today. And we're gonna be boarding here in about 15, 16, maybe 14 minutes. It's time for my pre-flight checklist. All right, our pre-flight checklists are complete. Time to board our flight to Orlando. How you doing today?
Scan yours and then we'll scan mine.
You got both of ours on hers?
Yeah.
That's mine.
Joseph, you're
That's
an
me.
emergency row seating. How you want to assist?
Well, yes, I am.
Oh wait, no. You're
So
not
row
emergency
one is row one now?
No,
I
you're
didn't
not
think
emergency
row
row.
one was.
I didn't.
I
hear
still
you.
am able to.
No. Yeah, have a great thank you.
Yep, you have a good one as well. There she is. Right?
Oh, yeah, how are you? Oh, all right. Glad to hear it. Have a good one now.
How's it going?
All right. You got your camera?
Oh, yeah. How you doing today? What's up? Oh, yeah. Looks like we're...
Is this one open or empty or?
Oh, there's space here. For what? Yeah, that's where we're at.
My sister had a seat in the back, while my mom and I had the front row again.
We're gonna have that label to be empty. You're gonna get your bag out during flight?
Alright, we made it aboard our Frontier Airlines A320neo. Look, Mom, the jetway's going.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks so much for choosing Frontier and flying America's greenest airline. On behalf of your flight attendants, pilots, as well as Rosie the River Otter on our tail and wings, we welcome you aboard. It's also very important in the event of any emergency evacuation that you leave behind all carry-on belongings. Now please sit back, relax, and enjoy your 1 hour, 51-minute flight to the theme park capital of the world, the city beautiful Orlando, Florida.
That's what I'm talking about.
$70 back plus the whole free drink. All right.
Flight attendants, please prepare for takeoff.
There it is. Oh my gosh, we're going up fast. Our flight time today was approximately 1 hour and 49 minutes and cruising at an altitude of 37,000 feet. It's a bit bright outside. My sunglasses are in my bag and I don't feel like getting my sunglasses. Alright, we have begun our initial descent down into Orlando MCO. Joey? Joey? Hey! Wake up! Hey, yeah. We've started our descent. Yeah. Continue editing. Yeah, we ended up discovering that I left one of my fans at the Indianapolis airport. Go me! Thank you very much. Yep, you guys have a good one.
Okay, thank you.
At the end of the bathroom close, I keep an eye for Jenny and how.
There's Junkyard. Oh. Is that Post Malone?
Post Malone wear that shirt that Jason wears. It's got
Our motor is on level 1. The doors are now open. The baggage remains. Please watch for stop.
All right, we're off the plane and did our post-flight checklists. And we're at the baggage claim that they told us to get to, and it's not on. I guess we just gotta do a little bit of waiting. Wow, that was really fast. All we did was go to the bathroom after we got off the plane, and they already took our bags off the belt and set them right here. That is some speedy service right there.
Hey, thanks for watching Operation Basketball. We're just kind of hanging out. Thanks to the Danville cheerleaders. Refuse to lose. Go to our website, WTHR.com, for more on Operation Basketball. Good night, everybody.